This winter's stormy pattern did have a remarkable positive impact on the long-term drought situation. This is what the U.S. Drought Monitor map looked like at the beginning of the water year on October 1st. And this is what the Drought Monitor map looks like now. Drought conditions have been erased from the Bay Area. And statewide, we've gone from 94% in California in severe drought or worse to just 2% of the state at that level. One phenomenon that could play a major factor as we look ahead to next winter is a developing El Nino. The latest outlook from NOAA shows an over 60% chance that El Nino conditions will develop later this year. And many projections indicate it could be a strong El Nino event. People tend to associate El Nino with wetter than normal conditions in California, which is certainly true for Southern California. But here in the Bay Area, we're on the edge of that strong signal toward above average rainfall. Looking back at the historical data, back to 1950, numerous El Nino events are easy to pick out with the red spikes, but there are 5 strong events that stand out. Checking the rainfall data for those particular years, 3 winters would seem to confirm the association between El Nino and wet conditions in the Bay Area. But the other 2 strong El Nino winters were not as impressive. One was near average, and another actually fell significantly short of the normal for the water year. And in fact, the Climate Prediction Center's very long-range outlook for next winter shows a weak signal towards below average rainfall. Data at this range is very preliminary, but the point remains. Just because next winter looks like it will be an El Nino winter does not mean that we're in for a repeat of this winter's turbulent weather. As always, Darren, Jessica, and the entire First Alert team will be here tracking the latest conditions to keep you updated, to keep you one step ahead.
Thank you for joining us for our special Wild Winter Lasting Impact.